With MoneySMARTS 2.0, you can now flexibly change the start date of your period as well as roll over throughout the period if you wanted to cut it short. Changing a start date is simple. All you need to do is click on the start date field and enter in a new start date. One thing to keep in mind though is that because MoneySMARTS now pulls through balances on the very specific checkup dates specified, for example on the 2nd of September or 2nd of October, this technically means that these are the opening account balances on those particular days. What this also means is if I am switching it from one day to another, MoneySMARTS won't automatically assume that the $11,245 as an example was applicable at some later point in time in September or even on the 1st of September. As an example, if I now change this to the 1st of September and I didn't have any existing account balances there at that particular point in time, you'll see that those balances come through as blank. However, the good news here is that if you did make a mistake and needed to change things back to a previous start date, then information is retained. This is because MoneySMARTS 2.0 now uses historical tracking information to populate and retrieve its data.